Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For all the cost professionals out there, this video is for you. We're breaking down the essential guide to statistics and risk for your CCP success and your daily work. Let's start with a fundamental truth. Every estimate is a forecast, and every forecast is uncertain. Our job isn't to predict a single magic number. It's to define a realistic range of possibilities. And understanding that uncertainty, it's the bedrock of credible project controls. Now, for the CCP exam, it makes up nearly 10% of your score. You'll need to calculate probabilities, interpret confidence intervals, and understand the tools of the trade. First, we find the center of our data, the central tendency. Is it the mean, the average, the median, the middle point, resistant to outliers, or the mode, the most frequent value? But two estimates can have the same average and be wildly different. That's why we measure the spread, the variability, the standard deviation. It tells you how clustered or dispersed your data is around that average. And in cost engineering, we often see a familiar shape emerge: the normal distribution, the classic bell curve. It's powerful because it's predictable. We know that about 68% of outcomes fall within one standard deviation of the mean, 95% within 2, and 99.7% within 3. We find the probability of any specific cost point using the z-score. It translates any data point into a number of standard deviations from the mean, letting us pinpoint its exact probability. Part 2 is about application, turning this insight into action. In our world, risk is any uncertain event that can impact project objectives, usually costs. Risk management is the systematic process of dealing with it, not to eliminate risk, but to control it. This is where our statistics meet reality. Quantitative risk analysis uses those probability distributions and standard deviations to model the combined effect of all risks. And this leads us to the crucial final output: calculating contingency. Contingency isn't a guessing game. It's a calculated, defensible buffer. Let's say our most likely estimate, the P50, has a 50% chance of being met. If management wants 80% confidence, a P80, we look at our probability distribution. The additional funding needed to get from P50 to P80 is our statistically contingency. Let's tie it all together. The problem: all estimates have uncertainty. The solution: we use statistics, mean, standard deviation, the normal curve, to measure it. The application: we apply this through risk management to calculate a justified contingency. Mastering this does more than help you pass an exam. It transforms your role. You move from being someone who provides a number to being a trusted advisor who quantifies uncertainty and gives stakeholders the clarity and confidence they need to make big decisions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more content on project controls and certification prep. Let me know in the comments what other CCP topics you'd like us to cover.